One of the ecosystem's most majestic species, known as the nature's cleanup crew, vultures adorn the vibrant blue skies of Africa and maintain ecological balance through scavenging of carcasses. However, the highly endangered species have been a target of merciless poachers who allegedly kill them for traditional medicine and other uses. According to Endangered Wildlife Trust, 7% of the vulture population is poached every year in Africa. Over 90% of those are killed through poisoning of animal carcasses used as a bait.
About a month ago got called where poachers were snaring, and they targeted lions with poisoned baits as well, pesticides that they have, because they don't want the lions to eat whatever they catch in the snare. And then the vultures are sort of a bycatch, because the vultures are very effective in finding these lions, and they're then affected by secondary poisoning. In some scenes, like with a month ago with the scene with the lions, they actually found 76 dead vultures where they took their heads and removed them as well for traditional witchcraft purposes.
The center says the clinical process of rehabilitating poisoned vultures is complex and laborious. This includes removing food from the bird's crops through milking.
But we always start with the ones that's very, very weak, and they will all have a crop. So a bird has a crop where they store their food, and this crop has the poison in it. So you do not want this bird to digest the crop. If they digest the crop, they digest more poison, which will make them more ill, potentially take their life. So the first thing you do is you milk the crop. It is a very specific technique. If you don't do it properly, the bird can aspirate, you can actually kill the bird, so you have to know how to do it to be able to milk the crop. So we milked all 84 birds their crop. After we've milked the crop, we give them an injection.
Traditional medicine practitioners have acknowledged that some traditional healers use vultures' body parts as ingredients for their concoctions. They have, however, urged one another to desist from further endangering protected species.
I understand, yes, some of traditional practitioners, they do use fat or brain or anything from the vulture. But it's unfortunately that people will go all out to kill a lot of vultures, because you must remember the vultures are protected. In our environmental constitution, they are protected. So people, they don't know. And unfortunately, those young people, I'm saying young people because no elder person can go to Kruger National Park and commit such terrible crime. Those young people, they did not have a clear idea that it's not all traditional practitioners they use vultures, head or brain, etc. So they went all out.
According to experts, vultures help reduce the risk of pathogen spillover to humans and animals.
Vultures is the cleanup crew for the environment. It curbs the spread of diseases, where carcasses plays a host for many diseases and viruses, bacteria. Vultures do have strong enzymes in their stomachs which can deal with these bacteria and diseases.
South Africa boasts some of the world's most admired vulture species in the white-headed vultures and the Cape vultures. It is estimated that only 50 pairs of the white-headed vultures are left in the country. Ruth and Obobodi, SABC News, Hoedspruit.